When goods cross borders, they often incur a fee known as customs duty. This fee impacts the cost and flow of goods globally. In the UAE, understanding these duties is crucial for businesses and individuals. These duties regulate trade and protect local industries. Administered by the Federal Customs Authority, this system ensures compliance with regulations. Goods destined for mainland commercial zones and free trade zones are treated differently under UAE customs regulations. Goods directly for the mainland incur standard customs duties, while those for free trade zones may benefit from exemptions, especially if they are for re-export to GCC countries. Custom duties serve multiple purposes, acting as a key instrument in a country's economic policy. In the UAE, these duties are strategically employed to achieve specific economic objectives. One primary purpose is to protect domestic industries from being overwhelmed by cheaper imports. For instance, a duty on imported textiles helps UAE-based manufacturers compete fairly. Furthermore, custom duties generate revenue for the government. This revenue funds public services and infrastructure development. The UAE's impressive infrastructure, including ports and airports, benefits from this revenue. Custom duties also regulate trade in specific goods. Higher duties on products like tobacco and alcohol discourage consumption. By adjusting duty rates, the UAE government influences import patterns and promotes responsible consumption. Here are some list of categories, tariffs, and payment amounts or percentages. Textiles, 5% duty; electronics, 10% duty; tobacco, 100% duty; alcohol, 50% duty. Knowing who pays custom duties is crucial for anyone importing goods into the UAE. The importer of record, whether an individual or a business, is responsible. For example, companies importing raw materials must pay the duties. Individuals ordering high-value items online also need to pay duties. The duty amount depends on the type of goods, their value, and their origin. Some goods are exempt or have reduced rates. Personal belongings within limits might be exempt. Free trade agreements with certain countries can lower or eliminate duties, easing trade and reducing costs. Understanding these details helps navigate international trade and customs in the UAE. Being informed about custom duties can save costs and ensure compliance. Whether importing large quantities or making occasional purchases, knowing your duties is essential. Here are some common categories and their tariffs. Electronics, 5% of the value. Clothing, 10% of the value. Food items, 0 to 5% depending on the type. Luxury goods, 15 to 20% of the value. Raw materials, 0 to 5% depending on the type. Personal belongings, exempt within specific limits. Free trade agreement goods, 0% if eligible. Calculating custom duties in the UAE involves a clear and structured process. This ensures all imported goods are properly assessed and taxed according to regulations. Duties are typically a percentage of the customs value of the goods, varying by type and classification. Customs value includes the price paid, insurance, and transportation to the UAE. Duty rates depend on the type of goods classified under the UAE's customs tariff. The tariff categorizes goods into sections and chapters, each with a specific duty rate. For example, electronic goods, textiles, and machinery each have different rates. Refer to the FCA website or consult a customs broker for exact duty rates and categories. Payment is made at customs clearance, ensuring all dues are settled before release. Various payment methods, including online options, make the process convenient for importers. Section 5. Timing is key. When to pay custom duties. Knowing when to pay custom duties is crucial to avoid delays. In the UAE, custom duties are payable upon the arrival of goods at the customs point. Once your shipment arrives at a UAE port or airport, the duties become due. Failure to pay on time can lead to storage fees and penalties. Be prepared with necessary funds for smooth customs clearance. Importers can apply for deferment of duty payment under specific conditions. Deferment offers flexibility but requires meeting criteria and prior FCA authorization. Understanding deadlines and deferment options helps optimize financial planning. Section 6. Essential documents for smooth custom clearance. Efficient customs clearance relies on accurate and complete documentation. For UAE imports, having the right paperwork is crucial to avoid delays. Key documents include the commercial invoice, detailing goods, value, and sale terms. Also essential are the bill of lading or airway bill, packing list, and certificate of origin. Import permits or licenses may be required for specific goods. The certificate of origin verifies the goods' origin, affecting duty rates based on trade agreements. Ensure all documents are accurate, complete, and consistent for smooth clearance. Categories, tariffs, and payment amounts vary. For example, electronics may have a 5% tariff, textiles 10%, and luxury goods up to 20%. Always check the latest rates and ensure timely payment. Section 7. Navigating the UAE Custom Clearance Process. Navigating the UAE Custom Clearance Process involves several key steps. Upon arrival, the importer or customs broker submits a customs declaration to the FCA. This includes shipment details, value, and duty rates. The FCA assesses and may inspect the goods. After approval, duties and taxes are paid. Goods are then released into the UAE market. The process is streamlined with online platforms for declarations and payments. Categories include electronics, textiles, and food items, with tariffs ranging from 5% to 20%, and payments calculated accordingly. Section 8. Staying ahead. Tips for UAE customs compliance. Compliance with UAE customs regulations is crucial for international trade. Stay updated on customs laws and procedures. The FCA website provides the latest regulations and announcements. Partnering with a reputable customs broker is beneficial. Brokers are experts in customs procedures and regulations. They assist with documentation, declaration filing, duty calculation, and clearance. Correctly classify goods according to the UAE customs tariff. Accurate classification ensures correct duty rates and prevents delays or penalties. Here's a detailed list of categories, tariffs, and payment amounts. Electronics, 5% tariff. Textiles, 10% tariff. Food items, 15% tariff. Section 9. Conclusion. Mastering UAE customs for seamless trade. Understanding UAE custom duties is crucial for importers and exporters. These duties regulate trade, protect industries, and generate government revenue. Key categories include electronics, textiles, and food items, with tariffs ranging from 5% to 20%. Payment procedures involve accurate documentation and timely submission to avoid penalties. Adhering to transparency, accuracy, and timely payment ensures smooth trade and compliance with UAE customs.